Hello, this is a real-time forex trader. We're here scalping euro dollar. We've just had a few shorts on which we've closed. Now, let's see where this is going next. That's where it found support last time and it's gone through it. I think it's too late in the day to short unless we get a pullback we can sell into. Just need a bit more of a pullback to sell into. Or was that it and I've missed it? Could be. It's beginning to look that way. I could try a cheeky short on there, but I think it's too low. It's a fair way from that trend line. I think we might be too late to the game at that, and we should have got it on there. Anyway, time will tell. Which we at the moment half a pip to a pip out of the money. Yeah, it's struggling to get below 78. See that, oh, I can say that was better. Then we could have got one on at 81. Yeah, are we a bit close to the bottom here? Let's have a quick look. Well, that's a downward market. That's downward. So, right, where do we want to come out at? 77. Let's see where this goes. Hopefully the sellers should sell into this. There's 1 pip. Should easily be able to get back into these levels, high 78, 78. Where are we going? Right, we're getting near 3 pips on that. Yeah, getting 2.5, but not the 3. 3 would be nice. See, should have taken them off there. Could have taken 2 off, put them back on. I'll certainly put 1 back on. Profits banked to profits banked. Not scalping this as well as I should. Not by a long way. Right, let's see what happens now. Let's get ready. Where are you going? It's just a bit dull. That profit evaporating. I don't think there's a lot going on. Right. Come on. I thought I was inching down then. Yeah, it's forming up a bit sideways. Right. Oh, I thought that was just going to inch down then. Like that. And what could we get out of that one? See, I should have sold the both of them. Come on, this is a bit. A bit boring to say the least. These are not ideal trading conditions. It's beginning to look very range bound and 79.9. Yeah, that's coming up to test the trend line. Right. Well, I'm going to need a bit of patience with this one. We need to see if this trend's going to continue. Yeah. It's all a bit dull as dishwater. So there's sellers up here, 83s. And there's a buyer down here at 79. But it's grinding off the bottom. And all our shorts are on at the bottom. Right, I thought that's not bad. Here we go. Look, you're getting 84s now. Now, that's the pullback. Where are the sellers going to be tempted in? Where is this going? And as you can see, this is typical of market moving in waves. Where are the sellers? Oh, there's a few. I mean, that's a good short up there, 85s. And they're looking very pretty now. 3 pips in the money. We need it down here. So our average price at the moment, 80.7, which is about there. And it's still climbing. Maybe the sellers are up around the 90s. Well, should have taken that pip there and waited for an opportunity to put it back on higher up. Where are we going? Where is this guy still climbing? Oh, right, back up to 80, till it hits 86-ish. Right, to be continued. Right, here we go. We're back. Right. Phone calls just when I don't need them. Right, here we go. It's beginning to sell off. 3 pips there. We'll take that. Get some risk off. Now, is this the beginning of it coming down? Again, continuing the trend. I want to get another one of these off soon because really we've got too many too close together. That's not looking like a bad price to sell into. You might have got 82. You get 82s. Oh, it's coming up a bit more. Damn it. 83. Damn it. Just a bit too quick on that one. '83 is nice short. Right, here we go. Right, change that to 77. What was that there though? 81. Marginal profit on that, but none of any significance. Oh, that's always good to get risk off. Where is this continuation of the downtrend? That's what I'm looking for. Right, now roughly, this is roughly where it lifts. It's around about 81. Let's see if it can break through this. That's 1 pip. Yes, it's broken through it this time. Right, is this where we're going to get the next leg lower? Right, my average price 80.3. If we can get it down, it should even break this. It should break that level of 7. Well, even if it matches it, if we can come out at 78. What were we there? Probably might have been able to get 80. '80 would have done on a couple of those. Right, now we need the next leg lower. There we go. So, yeah, look, we're down to 80. Now, here we go. Can it get down to these levels? Let's take a couple of those off. And let's see if we can get out the last ones. We just need that one now. Come on. Can we get out the last one? Ah, gone. Right. Oh, damn it. Slippage. Right, I'll have a pip on that. So we just need to get out this last one alive. Go on. Oh, so close. Could have got out of it alive, but let it slip away. See how much it pulls back. Right, 77. Right, let's put them all on at that. That should get filled. And I should have got one on there when I was not paying attention. Right. Here we go. Here we go. Take that one off. That's a pip. That'll do. Damn it, it's only getting down there momentarily. Right, what did we get? 80.9. We'll take them off at 78. Here we go. Well, are the sellers going to have a go at breaking this? That is a question. Let's just get out of that one, because that's the one that's holding us up. Right. 82, we'll have one at that. Now, selling good pullback. Now we're up at 83s. It shows you I should have taken the break even or the very small profit on that one when it was there. It should come good yet, but risk off is risk off. And that one, that's 5 pips out of the money. Right, so look, we're up here again. 82.5. $83, we'll have an 83. Good, look, 83.5, might get all the way up to 86s, yeah. 84. Now that's enough. Right, now where are the sellers? Because I could have got one on. I could have got 85 if I'd waited instead of 84. Have I done this? Well, the answer is not really. Really, I should have waited for it to run out of steam up here at 86 and then put on about 3 shorts and not those 3. Anyway, old habits die hard. Damn. Could have had a pip or 2 there. Well, yeah, I'm definitely going to start taking these a lot quicker. It was 2 positions, could have been closed out and then put one back on at 85. Much better price. So, let's see what happens this time. There's obviously a buyer here at 83. No, he's lower than 83, might be 82 and a half. Right, see what we get offered. Come on, sellers. This is slow. And the buyers are managing to lift it, which is a disaster. And these are getting higher. It's not good. So we need to try and get a bit of risk off. The sellers just aren't really doing much. Well, we'll take the risk off. The sellers are only selling once it's up here. did I sell at 85.5? Is this going to go range bound again? Damn it. It's beginning to look like that's lifted off the bottom. Well, I suppose the sellers have had 2 goes at this, and now, unless it comes back up to 90-ish, they might not have a go at it. We might be now positioned in this all wrong. Yeah, that's definitely climbing, and I'm in nothing but shorts. There we go, few sellers entering. Right, is this where it's turning round 88? We've still got 6 losses on our hands. That's beginning to look a bit better. Right, we'll take that. That may well pull back from that. Yeah, 83.5 there at one stage we could have sold out. Let's not get overcommitted. You can do with taking a bit of more risk off, really. Should have had both of those positions off there, and then one back on there. 2 pips higher. Anyway, I keep saying that and I keep being too slow. So it's come down to the trend line and then it's bouncing off it. And the seller's only got control briefly there. Right, where are we going? Hmm. I mean, we're getting to this stage. Yeah, we'll take that. Another pip scalped. Where are we going with this? Yeah, and then we went to 90. Is this where it's going to turn? Is it? Still above the trend line here. That wouldn't have been another bad short. 88. That looking to be quite a good short. Take it off now. Come out with 3 pips. I'll have to let this one play out a bit to see if it's coming back down to these levels. Or is it just is the dollar going to sell off all afternoon? Friday afternoon. See, people putting shorts on up here at 90s, 89s anyway. It's my average price, 81. So 80 would do. You see, it's up here at 90 again. Right, where are we going? Where is this going? See, this shows you how important it was to have closed that one when it was just breaking even on margin in profit. Yeah, it's creeping up again. I'm wondering whether it's coming up to here to 95s now. Damn it, I'm really wishing I'd taken the risk off on that one when it was just marginally in profit there. Well, we're in a rising market, but is this roughly where it runs out of steam? Is it or isn't it? It's going to be a long afternoon. I mean, it's only 12 odd pips, 12, 15 pips, but it's 12, 15 pips the wrong way. That's a long way for a scalper. It's not where's this going, it's going up. So how far is it going is the question. And where are the sellers? You know, there ought to be sellers up round, and maybe they're up round 95s, I don't know. But there ought to be sellers round here. Few sellers. The buyers push it straight back up. Well, the buyers have definitely got control of this at the moment. Where is this going? Where is this going? Even the bond market's going a bit flat. Where was that? 230 there. There we go. A few sellers. Finally came in at 95. Looking quite pretty. Best part of 8 pips in the money now. Very good short on up there. Now, and they're going to drop it down to these levels. That's what I want to know. Probably some of them are closing out now, taking profits. Let's see where this goes. So 88, and our average is 81. It's going a bit flat now, which suggests there's not a lot of business going on. Yeah, sellers getting it lower. Well, this is going to take a bit of time. See, those sellers after 3 o'clock. Now the bars are lifting it again. Where is this going? Where is this going? Is it going to form up above the trend line again? That was a good scalp. putting them on there, putting shorts on there about 94. It's a very good one. Come on, where are you going? I'm about 10 pips out the money. The wrong way round. But I don't really want to increase my risk. It's hovering around this 90 level. You see, the buyers have run it up to 95 before 3 o'clock. Then the sellers have come in. Now they're running it up again. Well, this is going to be a game of patience this afternoon. We're not expecting any more big announcements. I'm getting the feeling that people in London have wound down for the day. Damn, back up here at 95. Now, they're going to run this up. And then it's going to pull back. The question is, they've run it up earlier today to 910. That's as far as they got it. I'm getting tempted to take that. What did they do earlier in the day? See, 910. Should have taken the 2.5 pips there. You see, should have taken the 2.5 pips. because they are trying to run it higher. See what it pulls back this time. Should have taken that. I don't think they can run it much higher because there'll be sellers. There'll be sellers up here. But I do think, well, I don't know, it does look like they want to run it higher. Right, now that's all it fell back to last time. That level. Is it going to break it? It is very tempting to take it off here. It's a question of whether you think it's going to drop away or whether you think they're going to run it up higher. I'm going to take that. I've got a feeling could well be able to get it back on again. And let's be honest, we're supposed to be scalping. And there's not much of that going on at the moment. Right, oh, they see it can pull back to here and then they'll run it up again. See, put it on, should have taken it off, put it on again, taken it off. Now we've got to wait for an opportunity, which may or may not come. He's pulling back to the trend line. Now this is where it's going to start getting interesting. They're either going to have to run the price back up which they're trying. See, there's the price approaching the trend line. See there, 95 pulled back 9 pips. It got to just over 900. It's either going to pull back here or that is where the buyers are. Right, now this is where the buyers need to step in to push it back up. Is it going to form up like this? It's now below the trend line. Well, momentarily. For the uptrend to continue, it's going to have to come up here. If that's broken, because that's all it's got, then it's going to continue down here. And it should pull off back down to something like 75. Question is when will more people see it as a sell? Everybody's waiting to see what forms up like this here. I mean, it's beginning to look like you should get your shorts on now. If you were trading this trend line, the question is that just a wave or is it going to continue? People who got the shorts on at 90, 8 pips in the money. Right, here's your first. Was that? Is this going to be the first green candle? Is 90 where it's going to find buyers? That's looking like it's going to be a green candle. Maybe not. It's hovering at the 90s. Now the question is who's going to win between the battle of the buyers and the sellers. That is going to determine everything. Well, they're fighting it out a bit. Yeah. You see, the buyers happy to buy at 90s, thinking they can get it over 900 again. Right, bang. Sellers have hit this 90 level. And we're going to see if they can break through it. You see, there's the people buying. Right, can they get it? Yeah, they're inching it lower. You see, all this level of support here is going to have to be broken. So it's 90 down to 85. The sellers need to take out the liquidity of the buyers. But if you're looking at the candle formation, it's looking very different to this. That is beginning to form up like it's going to break lower. And the people who put shorts on here, on the pullback, wow, they got shorts on at 93s and 94s. They were on probably on the order book, to be honest. That's good shorts. That's a good price to sell at. And we are just grinding bang. See, look, that's the level of support previously. I think the buyers are beginning to pull off some of their liquidity, which is why we're inching lower. Now, how far we're going to inch lower is the next question. I need another 10 pips. Whether we get that or not is another matter. And you can see the German bund here is weakening off. So, come on, dollar. I need 5 pips to break even. Come on. You see, you'd be looking, as a scalper, you'd be looking for a pullback to sell into, like that one. Little bit like that. That's only 1 pip though. Like that one. And you see, there's your pullback, sellers. There's your pullback, sellers. There's your pullback, sellers. Pullback, sellers. Pullbacks, pullback. Yeah, it's grinding off nicely. Right, is it going to grind off? We're going to have a pullback. Pullback from 84. You see, you could sell into that. 86. Right, where are the sellers? But if you're a scalper, you do need to be aware of this. There's like prices get run, and that got run to just up to 900, just over. See, people who put shorts on here again. Happy. Testing 83. We're beginning to get near a break even. Look at that. We were very close to break even then. Right. We need a couple of legs lower. We need this to grind off a couple of legs lower. And it, I'm wondering whether that will go. $76.6, we'll put it at. Look at that. Look, nearly each one of those was in profit then. Wow. Should have taken some off, shouldn't I, really? Put them back on. What a fool. I was too busy playing around with the take profits. I could have got off 4 there, I think. Certainly 3. I mean, it might find support here at 80. Well, it did, didn't it? Look, it bounced. Here we go. Here's the sellers. And put them back on at 83. It's having trouble down here. So look. Yeah, should definitely have taken some off there. 79.980. We could have probably got 80.5. And they're trying to push it off the bottom. See, I could have closed 3 out there. Put them back on here at 85s. Schoolboy mistake. Wow. very schoolboy mistake, that. Right. See if we get down here again. And this is mainly because I'm thinking more of a longer term trade to get it down into 75s rather than scalping. In a scalping mode, I'd have taken those 4 off there, put them back on, taken some profits, put them back on. And you can see the buyers are just managing to lift it a bit. You know, they're putting up a bit of resistance. That's why you need to take the profits when they're offered. And I should also seen this coming, that 80 is a round number. As buyers, so that's going to take some breaking by the looks of it. Well, we got time. Schoolboy mistake. Should have had 3 off there, maybe even 4. In fact, I could have probably had 4 of those off there and just that one back on left. In fact, I should have probably taken that one as well. Right. So, where's this going next? I would like to see it go down to 875, but that's no longer a falling market. You know, that's come up off the bottom. We now need to see if it's going to sell off again. Rookie mistakes. This is why you need to make your mistakes when you're trading small amounts on minimum sizes and get it right. I thought that was continuing so much it was going to go through 80 to 75. And that was presumptive. Right, so the buyers have lifted it 5 pips. Could sell again at 85, which people are. So they sold 85s, 86s there, sold there, sold there, sold there. It's a question of whether they can ever go at breaking this level of 80. Or are they going to try and break it through 80 to 75? And if you look at the German Bund, it's very similar. It's selling off again. See, it's pulled back a bit, selling off. Right, here we go. We're getting down there. Right, it's broken through it. This should go to 70. We should get filled. We're 3 pips away from getting filled. I'm going to take those. Yeah, and that's why I took them. And I should have taken the last one as well. Anyway, look at that, pulling back. Right. Let's see if it sells off from here. So we've only got 4 on now. 0.6. I should have taken probably the small loss on that one. It was about pip out the money. Right, let's see where we're going. Half a pip on that one. Not anymore. A little bit early getting those on. 80, yeah, they're just a bit too early. Well, we'll take that. That's a scalp. And that's why, look, it's come back up. And we got most of the profits for the day. We just need to get out of this one. Ideally with a profit, but it's broken lower than. It's had a pullback. I think it's going to have another go at this. Here we go. No. Hesitating. There we go. It's having a go at it. Couple of pips we scalped there. Well, that's half a pip. We'll have that. We just need to get out of this last one. Let's make the last one easier to fill. I mean, the ironic thing is if it breaks, it's 78. It probably will fill it. Right, 83. Oh, come on. Are we going to get 83? We could put one on it. We got 83. And we could take 80 for that. Didn't get 80 last time, did we? We got 81 though. That's 2 pips. That'll do. Is it going to pull back to 85? Should 84.2 we could have had there. Yeah, I don't want to get overexposed down here, really. I wonder if it's going to have a run lower or not. You know, that's beginning to look like they're lifting it. Right. Gone. Yeah, well, it's not gone in 60 seconds, it's gone in 60 nanoseconds. Yeah, they can have a rundown. You see, that's better. Half a pip, that'll do. Take that. I just need to get out of this one. It's 5 pips out the money, that one. Yeah, it's just not playing ball. What are we at now? 83s. Oh, we're going to get a rundown at this level again. You see the market going a bit flat. A bit too flat for my liking. Half a pip. Half a pip. Yeah, it's better than a kick in the teeth. I should have probably taken it. Yeah, because look, I could put it back on at a higher price now. Come on. You see, we're getting up to 85s. One oh 76.6. That's half a pip. It's just hovering around, isn't it? Right, half a pip. That looked like a bit more of a decisive move. But we're not. That's a pip, that'll do. We're still 5 pips out the money on this one, though. Come on. So close to getting out of it there as well. Now we're 6 pips out, 7 pips out the money. Lifting off the bottom. Lifting off the bottom quite a way. There's a couple of pips. We'll have that. take that. That's nearly 3 pips. Right, what did we left on this last one? Yes, come on. Down to 80, you see. Struggles here. We might have got 81. .3 pips, that would have been out of the money. 3 pips wouldn't have been the end of the world, would it? So there are sellers out there, but only at 88s. And there's buyers at 80 and 81. That's why the sellers let them lift it to 88 and get their shorts at 87. They got 5 pips in it then. See, we're at 85s again. Oh, I just need to get out of this one. Well, it is the thorn in my side. Right, here we go. Look, we're getting bid 85s. Yeah, people who got on shorts on 85, quite happy. Right, is this where it's going to have another go? 3 pips out the money, 4, 81, 80, 79s, 78s. Oh, we might get filled. We'll take that. That's it. That is, oh, God, look, and it's gone. It has gone. Well, that is how you scalp. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe.